How to turn off the password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode over here. On this page, scroll down and go to Stolen Device Protection. This feature adds another layer of security to your iPhone in the event that it is stolen and someone knows your passcode. Here, make sure that the Stolen Device Protection option is turned off. Then, go back and tap on Turn Passcode Off as shown. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off the password on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.